Welcome everyone, this is Quentin from Wicked Journey, and today we are at Knott's Berry Farm to see some of the decorations that they're putting up for Knott's Scary Farm's 50th anniversary. So let's see what kind of trouble we can get into at Knott's Berry Farm, transforming into Knott's Scary Farm. Oh, and the windmill at front is transforming. They have a big old spider with the 50th anniversary going up there. I have no idea what they're going to put here. But yeah, it's transforming really nice. And it looks like everything's coming along quite well with some of the lighting, some of the medallions up here. Oh, look at this. I didn't even notice when I walked through the gates. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's nice. I just got out of guest services and I am on the hunt to get that 50th anniversary card. I know I can't use it because, you know, I did an add-on for Knott's Scary Farm, but I asked, I go, why is that so? And basically what they said, it's meant for people who just buy the season pass outright because it makes it easier to scan in and out, and instead of you having to bring in a piece of paper, you're bringing in that card. Now, if it's just an add-on, you have a season pass number that's embedded into their system, and when that card has a number, you just can't change it. It's not interchangeable, so it makes it really complicated in their system. So that's why they can't do it. I knew there was a simple explanation when, you know, everybody just like, oh, you just can't do it. It's just a mix-up with your season pass numbers. It'll basically screw up their whole system. So that's why they're doing that. That's why your card gets all scratched off in the back so you can't use it, but you have a nice little souvenir. And that's all I want. I want the little souvenir. Would have been nice to use it, but it's the way it goes, guys. All right, so I'm going to go to info because guest services didn't have any, so I want to see if I can get one, wait in line, and make sure I get one. I did manage to get my card, and yes, they have to void it out because it's just, like I said, it's just going to mess up the whole system if you try to scan it or attach it to your account. But I tried, I got one for Maria, and I was trying to get the card, but Maria has to be here because they have to have a photo to it. So let's see if I can get her to go with me, and then, you know, she can experience Scary Farm with me. We'll see. I'm telling you, these are the scariest creatures that are gonna be here at Knott's Scary Farm. The giant mosquitoes. And they have the netting up in the trees. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe to retain the fog a little bit more? We'll see. And then nice little pumpkins of the dress shop. Look at that. Man, they decked this all out for Halloween. Everything. Oh man, the spiders are out today. All the decorations here with the lighting and the pumpkins on the ceiling, with the cobwebs. Nice. And then they got the 50th medallions up there here at the Toy Junction. It's like the place hasn't been open in years. Taken over. They've closed down all these places. The Infestation. Oh my gosh. Well, I was going to get some food here at the Wilderness Broiler, but unfortunately, they are closed. And it's after 12. So don't know why that's happening. And it looks like Pony Express is still down. So I'm not sure if that's so they can complete the maze over there by the tracks or if it's just for maintenance. Alright guys, here in the factory store they have more merchandise for the Not Scary Farm 50th anniversary, and also they have Into the Fog, which is where they display all the artwork, which used to be in Cordy's corner, but now they put it here at the factory store. So let's go inside and take a look. Like this wall, what I kind of like about this wall is sometimes they'll show you like some of the mazes that are going to be discontinued. For example here, Dark Entities. So it gives you the date, 2018 to 2023. And then the next maze that's going to be leaving is going to be the Depths from 2018 to 2023. So if you guys want to get your merchandise for that stuff, you better hurry. Actually, that hat actually looks pretty cool. And here's a shot of the Not Scary Farm 50th. Also glows in the dark. This is a display here. It changes every once in a while. What it does is it shows you the artist and it shows you the piece that they made. So the transition. So if there's a particular artist that you like and their piece, you can go here and read up on their history and about the artwork. I love it that Knott does that. They're very like, they love the artists around here. But you know, some of the stuff is really fantastic. Like the one up here above. Say out of all of them, this one's my favorite. Just that it shows everything, the different colors. This gives you like at a glance the history of Scary Farm. Love it. And then if you find a piece of artwork that you like and it's sold out, you can always get one of these, and they are at a lower price. Or if you're on a budget, you can still get these at a lower price. And if your guys' heart is weak, but you still want to come to Scary Farm, they are offering the Nobu necklace to let our monsters know not to scare you. It is $14.99. And that's what it looks like. And we're going to go into Cordy's corner to see what they have as far as merchandise. But first, let's look at a couple of windows here. Look at that. And here, oh, looks scary. An old sewing machine. Oh my gosh. Wonder where they found that at. You know, that shirt looks pretty cool in the black light here for the cinema slasher. Actually, Gauntlet looks pretty cool too. Yeah, that one looks cool too. The chambers, the chilling chambers actually. You know what? That looks nice too. Room 13. That is their spirit jersey. "50 years of never-ending nightmare." We got more pumpkins here. And a newsie. Looks like he's been hanging around for a while. And then the main display area with the fountain. They always decorate this really nice. I remember during Taste of Halloween, they had the large scarecrow up here. That one looked bomb. That was great. But this is good too. Cordy's Corner has a little bit of merchandise, not as much as the Legacy store. So if there's something specific that you're looking for, you might want to try the Legacy store first. Now, with the Legacy store, you don't have to enter Knott's Berry Farm to go in there. You could just find a place to park. I think they have like a parking across the street underneath Ghost Rider, and I think it's like parking for up to an hour, and you can get it validated for up to 3 hours. So if you want to do some extended shopping. But I recommend going to the Legacy store first to see if you can find anything. Like, let's say you're looking for a Loungefly and they ran out. You can go to Cordy's Corner, and you know, I just shot a display. The rack is just full of them. So they might have like over anticipated how many people were going to get the Loungeflies. So, I mean, like I said, I'd like to get one just to get it because it is Knott's 50th and it looks really cool. I just don't have the space for it. So unfortunately, I'm not going to get one. Plus, you know, it is about $99. Plus, you can use your season pass discount and you can get 10% off. So, all right, guys, let's keep searching for decorations and see what else is new to me because I haven't been here in a while. Well, look what showed up. The Wheel of Death. I can't wait to see this show. This one, it looked pretty cool last year from all the videos that I saw. And they have the stage almost all set up for the Cirque du Grotesque, I guess it's called. Forgive me, I'll have to look it up. I'll probably put it up on their screen, but it's looking nice. Like earlier, they got the Wheel of Death up already. It's gonna be fun. Here we go, here come the clowns. Oh my gosh, look at that. And in case you guys missed the window here at the board shop, we got some clowns staring right at you. And his little monkey too. No way. I just had to film in front of the clown here. Scary. And here's the other clown. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to look forward to this area walking through it, but clowns don't bother me. Look at here, like clowns with their heads on a pike. Wonder what that means. And then today on my visit on Monday, September 18th, hang time is closed today. Don't know why. So hopefully it's just for maintenance and it's just for one day, and hopefully it'll be up during Scary Farm. So that'd be kind of sad if they have 2 attractions in this area that are down. But hopefully it's just for maintenance. Xcelerator is still not running. They're not even testing it today. So we have no idea. So it's just, I guess you could say any day now. But even then, I would probably say any week now that they might have it running. So I'm going to take a look at one more thing and then go from there. But as far as I know, I don't think this is going to be ready for Scary Farm. Man, this looks really nice here in Fiesta Village. I mean, I'm going to guess they're going to make this one of the safe zones here, and that way you can enjoy some food and some drink and enjoy the night and then go back in for the scares. To be Mission Row is now turned into Forsaken Lake. So I don't know if the booths are going to come back after Scary Farm, but we'll find out. It does seem kind of weird for the log ride. There's no skull at the exit. I wonder if they changed that or they haven't put it up yet. We'll find out. And more decor for Forsaken Lake. And the entryway to Forsaken Lake. Looks a little tilted. Wow, there's just a lot to see here. I haven't really gone through Camp Snoopy too much. Parts of Ghost Town I wasn't able to get to. There's a lot of areas I couldn't see because there's just so much here. A lot of decorations been going on. I mean, it's looking good, guys. It's really looking good. So the 50th anniversary is going to really satisfy everybody as far as a scare and a haunt goes. I know it's going to be my first time coming here, and I know I'm going to be impressed. So anyway, guys, that about does it for us today. I did the best I could coming back here for a couple hours to try to show you everything. Yeah, like I said, there's just so much here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Until the next time I take you to another wicked place. Good night, guys.